The absolute essential, critical concept is progressive overload. One thing that I've noticed is that it doesn't seem to matter how much you deadlift or squat heavy, you can still be vulnerable to back flare-ups, back spasms, muscle spasms. The classic example is you're bending over to pick something up, and it's usually a really benign, really simple activity that catches you by surprise and you experience a back spasm. And people often say, how is this possible? I can deadlift 200 kilos, And the reality is that spine, like any other joint in the body, it needs to move and it needs to be loaded in lots of different ways. And we've created a really big problem for ourselves, and it's industry-led. We're taught as personal trainers that you should never break neutral spine. There's just no way that you can demonstrate maximal strength and force and power and speed with a perfectly neutral spine. If you consider athletes, because athletes are who we all aspire to, and when we're training in the gym and developing strength and skills and things like that, it's usually inspired by professional athletes or performance athletes. Think about the concept that no athlete will ever perform a feat of their physical capability, will never demonstrate their performance with a neutral spine. It's just no sport does it. Whether you're playing football or whether you're a power lifter or whether you're Olympic lifters, who I was thinking like maybe they're the closest because they're more upright than power lifters, but they don't. They experience excessive butt wink at the bottom, their spines are moving. You're going to be susceptible to those things. And so the answer is, and what we teach our guys to do here is that we take the spine through its full range of movement. We try to train or reconnect the brain and the muscles so that we can activate those segmentational muscles. We can move, we can flex, we can rotate, we can extend.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.